Want to make your text follow objects in your video? You know what? CapCut's motion tracking makes it super easy on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to add motion tracking text step by step. So, let's begin. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Then, create a project or open up the existing project. After that, tap Text below. Then tap Add Text. Then type your text. After that, tap on the screen. Now adjust the font, color, and style if you want. And then tap checkmark. Next, slide right to left to find the tracking option. Then tap on it. Now, choose the object or person in your video that you want the text to follow. Then tap Start Tracking. Wait for a while. After that, CapCut will automatically track the movement of the object. And that's it. Now, your text follows any object in your video. So friends, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy iPhone and CapCut tips. Thanks for tuning in.